Hello everybody, this is Sonya. I got a parcel today. I got a parcel from Pam Elderfield. Thank you so much, Pam. I don't know how many, you're always sending me a parcel. I'm excited. I'm going to cut it out. I haven't got anything. It's exciting, isn't it? What have I got in here today? Lots of rolled up. It's all rolled up. She's got that really good for me to roll. Oh, more rolly bits. Oh, what's this say here? What's this say? It's exciting. Dear Sonya, this travel mug in warm soapy water made for you with my cricket machine. Just a little something treat to keep you warm this winter. Oh, thank you. She's thinking about me. Get myself a treat. She made this with her cricket. Oh no. Oh, thank you. Oh, no, thank you very much. Isn't that cool? I had a little idea it might say Sonya, because it said there was a little mug there. Oh, and I got a cup of tea. Oh, Pam, thank you so much. I really love it. Thank you. That is so nice. Oh, dear. I suppose you hear me say that a bit, hey? I've never had one of these before. Push to open. Press to open. Press. It says press to open. Press. Do you turn? Do you press and turn? No. No. You press and lift. Oh, you screw it undone, Sonya. Look at this. Thank you. Thank you so much. I've never ever got myself one of these, and my hubby can do my coffee. And it says nobody panic. Wait till he sees it. He's going to love it too. Oh dear, because he hears me say it a bit. Anyway, thank you, Pam. That is so lovely, darling. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Oh, I'm so lucky. I have such wonderful people out there. Oh, there's Sonya. It says Sonya. Oh, right. That's the way. Turn it round, Sonya. I thought it'd have my name on. You know, I just sort of, and then it's got nobody panic. Oh, best thing ever. Thank you so much. One of the best things ever. I cannot say... everything that you people have given me is so wonderful. Thank you so much, everybody. I really appreciate you looking after me really good, aren't you? Thank you, Sonya. Nobody panic. This is cool, isn't it? I think it must be made out of that, what do you call it? Vinyl, is it? Vinyl? And you cut the vinyl out, have you, and put it onto the thing. Here, look, onto the mug thing. Thank you. And my cup of tea's here. Traditional afternoon classic Twinings. Thank you very, very much. I'll really, really enjoy this and keep me warm in the winter. It will. Thank you very much, Pam. You're such a lovely person. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.